Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Idweek Herpes Zoster vaccination linked to lower risk for Mace dementia death. Break. Vaccination against herpes zoster, Herpes, is associated with lower risks for heart disease, dementia, and mortality among adults aged 50 years and older, according to a study presented at the annual meeting of the Infectious Diseases Society of America, Idweek, held from October 19 to 22 in Atlanta. Break Ali Dagani, D.O., and George Yendwa, M.D., mile/hour, from Case Western Reserve University School of Medicine in Cleveland, examined whether prior zoster vaccination reduces major adverse cardiovascular events, MACE, dementia, and all-cause mortality among older adults with Herpes in a retrospective matched cohort study. Adults aged 50 years and older with a first-time Herpes diagnosis were stratified according to prior vaccination status, vaccinated or unvaccinated. Break after propensity score matching, 38,092 patients, 19,046 per group, were followed from 90 days to 7 years post-Herpes. The researchers found an association for prior zoster vaccination with significantly lower hazards of all-cause mortality, MACE, and dementia, hazard ratios, 0.586, 0.787, and 0.839, respectively. There were no significant differences in psychiatric morbidity or Parkinsonism. Break shingles is more than just a rash, it can raise the risk of serious problems for the heart and brain, Dagani said in a statement. Our study findings show that the shingles vaccine may help lower those risks, especially in people already at higher risk for heart attack or stroke. Break press release. Break more information. Break disclaimer, statistical data in medical articles provide general trends and do not pertain to individuals. Individual factors can vary greatly. Always seek personalized medical advice for individual healthcare decisions. Break and copy, 2025 Health Day. All rights reserved. Break ad as a preferred source on Google. Read this next: mortality increased with benzodiazepines, antipsychotic use in ADRD patients. Break, for nursing home residents with Alzheimer's disease and related dementias, ADRD, receiving hospice care, initiation of benzodiazepine or antipsychotic use. Break quit less than /speak. Speaking smoking helps maintain better long-term cognitive health. Break, quitting smoking may help adults maintain better cognitive health over the long term, according to a study published online October 13 in The Lancet. Break phthalate exposure linked to cardiovascular disease in people with chronic kidney disease. Break, phthalate exposure is associated with adverse effects on cardiovascular health in patients with chronic kidney disease, CKD, according to a study. Break more news resources for MedWatch Drug Alerts Daily Med News for health professionals, new drug approvals, new drug applications, drug shortages, clinical trial results, generic drug approvals. Subscribe to our newsletter. Break whatever your topic of interest, subscribe to our newsletters to get the best of drugs.com in your inbox, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.